Why do pineapple and coffee make such a great combo? This is the Castaway. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of aged rum, 3/4 ounce of coffee liqueur, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Attempt to juggle 1 ice cube, put it in the tin, and then we're going to shake it like a 2007 song by Metro Station. And we're back, ice in the glass. And now it's time to pour our cocktail. Look at that foamy goodness. And we're gonna garnish with a pineapple wedge, serve it up, and enjoy. Seriously, of all the flavor profiles,